Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the what are mirrors. A mirror is basically a glass surface. What is happening here? Sorry. Today our topic is what are mirrors. Mirror is basically a glass surface with one face polish which reflect most of the light falling on it, thus producing a real or virtual image. So here we write that a mirror is basically a glass surface with one face polish which reflect most of the light falling on it, thus producing a real or virtual image. So what are the mirror? Mirror is basically a glass surface with one surface is polished which reflect most of the light when the light is falling on it. When the light is falling on it, that is produce a real or virtual image. Now we discuss the some properties of the reflection that is related to the image of the mirror. First we discuss the types of the image, which type of the image is formed. Here we write that type why are you yelling? So here we write that type in the type we first discuss the real image that is formed by the mirror. Here we write that the real image, when the mirror is formed, the real image is formed is in the front of the mirror. So here we write that image appears in front of the mirror, it's called real image. Now there are the two type of the images formed. One is the real and other is the virtual image. What is the virtual image? Virtual image appear behind the mirror. When the image is formed behind the mirror, it is called the virtual image. So here we write that what is the virtual image, image appear behind the mirror is called virtual image. So here I write that image appears behind the mirror it is the virtual image. Okay, second we discuss the size of the image. Size of the image we discuss the whether the size is formed in large, reduce and same as size of the object. So here the three types of the size we discuss in large, reduce and same. So here we write that size of the image size here the three types of the size of the image. First we discuss the enlarged image. What is the enlarged image? Enlarged image is larger than the object, then it is the enlarged image. Image that is larger than the object, it is called enlarged image. Second, we discuss the reduce. What is the reduced image? When the image is smaller than the object, then it is called the reduced image. So here we write that reduce image. Image is smaller than the object. Image is smaller than the object. It is called reduced image. Second, we discuss the same. Here we write that the same image when the same image is formed is the same size as the size of the object. Image is same as the image is same size as the object is called the same image. Now we discuss the attitude of the image, whether the attitude is erect, inverted, or literally inverted. Now we discuss these three types of the attitude. Why are you healing? Here we discuss now the attitude. Here the three types of the attitudes of the size of the image. First is the erect. What is mean by erect? Erect image is straight up. Erect image is straight up. Here we discuss the example. Take the example of the mirror. Why it is moved so? Here we write at the mirror. Then we see the image on the mirror is same as that the written the mirror is straight up. This image is called erect image straight up. Second type of the attitude of the image is that is the inverted. Inverted image is upside down. Inverted image is upside down. Here we take again the example of the mirror. Here when we take the example of the mirror, now the image is totally inverted. So here we write that mirror then the image that is formed is totally inverted. So image we see in the mirror is like that. M-I double R-O-R. Will look the image in the mirror like this. This is called the image that is the form in the mirror is the inverted. So we discussed the two type of the attitude of the mirror, erect, inverted, and third type is the literally inverted. So here we discuss the literally inverted. Literally inverted. Literally inverted image is flip. Left and right side are reverse. This is called the literally inverted image. Image is flip left and right side are reversed. When the left and right side of the object are reversed, then the image that is formed is totally flipped. This is called literally inverted image. That is all about the attitude of the image, that is three types: erect, inverted, and literally inverted. Why are you move so many times? Okay, now we discuss the types of the mirror. Here we discuss the two types, that is the plane mirror and spherical mirror. And spherical mirror have the two type: convex mirror and concave mirror. Types of mirror. First we discuss the plane mirror. I comment again. Why are you?